This is my garlic. Look at the growing garlic I planted one chayote there. Hopefully the chayote will get big. And zucchini and my garlic and my chard and my tomatoes and my strawberry go back again from last year, and my other plant, another garlic, another tomatoes. I have raspberries, and the raspberries multiply. It grow another one here, and another one there, and another one there. So that's my garden. Bye bye.